Fun fact, in college I used to make jewelry. What started as just another fun project turned into a whole business. I had business cards and everything. I made it for basketball players, friends, strangers, you name it. And I'm going to show you how you can make some cute spring-inspired customized friendship bracelets and necklaces for the low low. Most of the materials I purchased from either Dollar Tree or Michael's are already had in my stash. However, if you would like to try it, I've also linked some in my Amazon storefront where similar items you can use to make these bracelets and necklaces. If you want a nice stack of necklaces and bracelets, I would say 5 bracelets and 3 necklaces. 3 of the bracelets will be your main character bracelets. These are the bracelets that will have like your names or your sayings. I chose to do Kia, WWJD, and Love Conquers All as my sayings. And then the other 2 bracelets are just like flowers and seed beads, as you can see. Right here, this is my main character bracelets, and then I add another filler bracelet with the flowers and the seeds. My other filler bracelet was pearls with little seed beads as well. And then I just went crazy and made some necklaces and just had fun with charms. Also, I did sayings on my necklaces as well, and I made 3 different ones. The opportunities are endless. Would you try this?